Okay, what was next? So I want to talk a little bit more about article templates. So basically, we saw that we saw a little bit of that in action earlier, where I was going to create an article, and I could start from scratch, or I can plop in a template to basically help me cheat here. So as you can see, I've got kind of this sub nav bar here, and if I had the right permissions, I would see a tab here that would actually allow me to create templates. So as I mentioned earlier, templates, we want to manage those inside the policy office so that we don't people aren't maybe going hog wild, or we got 30 different templates for the same thing. But the biggest takeaway there is to know that they exist. They can be added or augmented as needed via the policy office. They are very helpful. So it's going to help you cheat. It's going to help you, when you're messing around with content. It's going to help make the management of it a lot easier. And how we enter those in again is when looking at the body tag here. You've got this templates drop down. And you've got kind of your policy folder, your unit policy folder, and then you choose the correct template here. Just by clicking on it, it will insert it into the body of the policy for you. Okay. So if you feel strongly that maybe another template needs to be created, we can certainly do that in the policy office.